Okay, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to disassemble your A&K SVD and put it back together. So all you really need though today to do this is just some Allen keys. Alright, so first we're going to start by taking out the magazine and removing the rails. Next we're going to take off the upper receiver. And now you can see the spring assembly. And to take this apart, all you need to do is there are two little screws right here and right here, and you just unscrew. Okay, once they're unscrewed, you're just gonna pull this out. Oh wait, hold on, one of them was a little bit. Alright, well it's just gonna kind of pop out, I guess. You're gonna pull this out, and you'll have your spring guide and spring. Pull out your piston, and that's for your spring disassembly. That way you can change your spring and such real quick. Now, to take apart the front hop-up assembly and barrel and everything else like that, what you're going to need to do is find this piece right here and push on it and twist it and pull it out, just like that. Then you can move this little piece forward, and the handguard will kind of split in half. And then you have access to these two this one and this, that screw. Those two screws need to be unscrewed to pull out the barrel. And don't lose these because they're really small. Okay, so now your outer barrel should just slide out, and then you have your barrel assembly and hop-up assembly. So to do this, all you need to do is there are 3 screws right here. This is your hop-up. This is for the BB, to stop the BB from coming backwards. Sorry, this one. And then this is the one that you need to unscrew. It'll detach these two. Let me unscrew it real quick. Okay, and then you'll get an even smaller one, and you really don't want to lose that one. And then this part will slide out with your barrel. Okay, so now you have your barrel, and you want to pull out the barrel so you can switch the hop up or something like that. What you do is there's this little tiny black piece right here. You're just gonna pop it out. Oh, I'm sorry. First you gotta pull this out. I was thinking M4. Alright, so now you have access to your barrel hop-up and your barrel itself. Okay. So now we're going to put everything back together.